What's up, is it?
What are you eating, bro?
I'm just eating the chicken you bought for me. Sponsored by Clone, yeah, box sponsored by Clone,
Yeah. I'm proud of you, bro. This is a masterpiece. This is...
Welcome to another episode of Downshift. I have to sit in the car. I have nowhere to record from that makes the sound clear enough to be heard. So I really hope you're able to hear me. It's 2020. The first quarter is about to end. It's been an exciting 2020 so far. People are busy. People are doing things that many of us could only imagine ever doing. New platforms, new engines, new shows, new formats. Everything is just different. We're gonna try something a little bit different with this video today. I just want to show you a few clips of some of the footage we've gotten our hands on of people doing different things, and I really hope you enjoy it. For those of you that attended the Bring Back Spin show at Mike's Car Wash hosted by G335, we really hope you enjoyed yourself. Even Fred came to Lusaka. He showed us how the Coppola people do it. There's plenty more shows during the year. There's plenty more things that are going to happen, and if you've got a project car, if you've got a car that's on a project, whatever it is, I hope you're excited as well and ready to do what you do, whether it's at night or during the day, it's at the car wash, whatever. Anything motorsport, I hope you are ready for 2020. Loads and loads of things that are happening. Enjoy the video and let us know what you think about the year 2020 and the more years to come, and put your comments down in the comment section below. Let's see how we can all work together to achieve the love of motorsport.
I make A1 sound.
Tried out all these alternators. This car is not charging. I tried my best, so I failed. I had to tell Mush to find me someone who can manage to wire this thing, and he's doing it right now. So let's pray and see.
So here we are. Let's see what Bandit got this time around. Oh yes. After checking out your answers, unveiling. Okay.
Ninshile chitikapa wagwan Washimuri kenge wagwan Gatulipamo punkamo wagwan Punkamo wagwan Gatulipamo wagwan Ninshile chitikapa wagwan